Good morning. Good morning. So I got a little surprise from my mailman, and there was a whole lot of buzz about the Rothy shoe. I thought I would just wait to open them, even though I was super excited to get them yesterday. I didn't open them. I decided to wait and open them with you. There are a ton of Rothy addicts who I'm friends with who love these. So I'm super excited. So the one thing I didn't know about these before I decided to give them a whirl was that they're made of like plastic bottles. Correct me if I'm wrong. Like, these shoes are made from plastic bottles, and I hear that they're the most comfortable thing ever, and they're totally worth the high price tag. So I thought I would give them a go. I kind of feel like I'm in a dungeon a little bit. If you see that I'm hiding from my sunlight. I've got this fancy new background. If you're in my groups or follow me on my business page, you'll see I'm hiding my office behind here, and I don't have to clean it. I might even share a picture with you if I get brave enough. It's really not that bad. It's just papers, you know, paper mess. I might have my coffee mug and my breakfast bowl on my desk or something right now, but it, you know. So whenever I want to go live, now I don't have to feel like I don't feel like I have to clean up my desk. I can just break out this. But I don't usually go live this early in the morning, so it was a big challenge for me to navigate the light. I actually have stuff over my window to hide it, but there's that one little beam. That one. Anyway, here's the Rothys. They come with this cute little tab to open the box. Isn't that fancy? Even though my tape was already halfway off. I don't know what this is about. So let's check these out. If you've tried Rothys, apparently you've posted and you've told me that I need to get them. So I was looking for red flats. I love the color red. I'm trying to move away from black a little bit and bring a little color into my life. And I love the color red, so I thought it would be perfect. Here's how they look. And it even says, "We're so glad you chose the goodness of Rothys. Together we've saved over 10 million water bottles from winding up in landfills. Let's keep bettering the planet and looking great doing it." Isn't that fancy? See, I knew they were water bottles. And they are very pretty. I'm not gonna lie. Look at how pretty. Look. Oh, look at how pretty they are. And they don't feel like plastic bottles. So I was trying to decide whether or not to go with the points or look, there's the sun trying to peek in. I was trying to decide whether to go with points or rounds, and I chose the rounds. There was a lot of reviews about whether or not you needed to size up with the points, so I didn't want to have the wrong size and not be happy. So even though this it's not pointy because the points are pointier. Look at how pretty. Look at that pretty red shoe. I am going to wear them all day today, and I will come back and I will tell you what I thought of them. Look at the pretty red shoe. Aren't they gorgeous? Aren't they gorgeous? Now, I am going to slip them on. It does not feel like plastic. I'm not going to lie. Like, I really kind of thought it would be. And you can hand wash these. Some people even machine wash them. Like, it's crazy to me. It's crazy. They feel good on. Not going to lie. They feel good on. They might be worth the price tag. They do give us, okay, they feel amazing. Not gonna lie. I'll let you know at the end of the day how I feel about them. But they are gorgeous. And the exact red I was looking for, it's a perfect, true red shoe. And it's beautiful. So, I'll keep you posted. Oh, Connie, I'll see you later. These are very, very pretty. Anyway, they do give us coupon codes. I'll edit the comment and put a code in there if anybody wants to get yourself a pair after you hear what I think about them. Feel free to use my code to get $20 off of your pair. Oh, it's so pretty. I might not be able to stop looking at my shoes today. Not gonna lie. I'm super excited. So if you've tried Rothy's before, which I know there's a zillion of you on here who have, go ahead. Tell us what you think. And look how bendy they are. Love it. Love it. So I can't wait to wear them all day. Everybody, you have a great day, and I will see you later. I'll let you know how I feel about the Rothy shoe later today. Hi, Sandra. Okay. Cheers for now. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.